President of Bulgaria. Anti-government demonstrators. Republicans for Bulgaria. Government of Bulgaria. GERB. Rumen Radev. Risto Ivanov. Maya Manolova. Tatiana Doncheva. Renita Indjova. Slavi Trifonov. Kostadanov. Varsel Boshkov. Mustafa Karadeya. Ahmad Dogan. The 2020-2021 Bulgarian protests are a series of ongoing demonstrations that are being held in Bulgaria, mainly in the capital Sofia, as well as cities with a large Bulgarian diaspora, such as Brussels, Paris, Madrid, Barcelona, Berlin and London. The protest movement is the culmination of long-standing grievances against endemic corruption and state capture, particularly associated with Prime Minister Boyko Borisov's governments in power since 2009. Spontaneous demonstrations were triggered by the 9th of July 2020 raid on the presidency of Bulgaria by police and prosecutors in what was perceived as an attack against President Rumen Radev, a vocal critic of Borisov's rule. Borisov has refused to resign, insisting that the mafia wants to overthrow him, and that no alternatives to his rule have been presented. His ministers, deputies and parliamentary allies have labelled protesters scum, apes, and a herd, which must be put back in its place. Bulgarian Prime Minister Boyko Borisov and his populist GERB party have been in power since 2009, with a one-year interruption in 2013, when his government lost power following similar protests. Borisov's cabinets have seen persistent corruption in all branches of government. A 2017 assessment of the United States Department of State described the presence of selective justice and a lack of judicial independence. The report stated that Bulgarian government officials were engaging in bribery, procurement violations and embezzlement with impunity. Bulgaria has consistently ranked as the most corrupt European Union member in the Corruption Perceptions Index, and has remained last in 2019, ranking 74th globally. As a result of corruption and oligarchic rule, foreign direct investment collapsed from 28% of GDP in 2008 to a largely remittance-based 2% of GDP in 2018. Corruption has been described as endemic, especially in large infrastructure and energy projects, and within public procurement with taxpayer and EU funds. A report by the Center for the Study of Democracy, a Bulgarian think tank, found that local businesses perceive at least 35% of public tender contracts to involve corruption. Many of the public tender contracts are awarded to a handful of large companies amid widespread irregularities, procedure violations and tailor-made award criteria. Furthermore, infrastructure projects are often poorly made on purpose in order to extract continuing maintenance contracts for the companies involved. In an infamous case, a poorly renovated road led to a bus crash near Svoge in 2018, resulting in 20 deaths. In 2019 alone, the Borisov government signed public procurement deals worth 16.4 billion leva largely for infrastructural projects, more than 3 times the government budget for the nation's collapsing healthcare system. In the 2018 to 2020 period, Borisov and his ministers have also been involved in a series of corruption scandals. Guest houses built with EU funds have been used as private villas for government officials. Millions in agricultural subsidies have been diverted to livestock existing only on paper. And Borisov himself was implicated in a possible money laundering scheme investigated by police in Catalonia. This has been complemented by a steep decline in media freedom. Bulgaria dropped from 59th to 111th globally in the Press Freedom Index between 2008 and 2019. The lowest score of any EU member or candidate state. Reporters Without Borders reported worsening harassment of journalists and continuing government control over the media through financial means, including EU funding. The organization expressed particular concern over the Borisov government's candidate for chief prosecutor, Ivan Gershev, who had made scathing remarks about media which were not to his liking. Gershev also opposed the concept of separation of powers, calling it a far-right idea. Former US ambassador to Bulgaria, James Pardue, said in 2019 that a political environment with little government or criminal accountability and no Serious opposition to challenge the current government is in place in Bulgaria. Pardu further named Delium Peevski as a media kingpin, with a virtual monopoly on private media in Bulgaria, controlling as much as 80% of the local market. Following the defeat of GERB's candidate for president in the 2016 Bulgarian presidential election, Bulgarian Air Force General Rumen Radev was elected to the mostly ceremonial post of President of Bulgaria. Radev, an independent, was nonetheless backed by the Bulgarian Socialist Party, Bulgaria's largest opposition party. Radev frequently criticized the Prime Minister over what he alleged was corruption, mismanagement and authoritarianism inherent in Borisov's rule. Kontsakv